Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Claude app crashing on Android or iPhone. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Claude, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. Now, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Claude and check if the app needs an update. If the app is needing an update, make sure to update your app to the latest version. Outdated apps often cause crashes. Then you should also, if you're on Android, clear the apps cache. Go to the phone settings, open apps, select Claude and tap storage and clear cache. If the problem continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for Claude and reinstall it again. Most crashes are fixed this way. This how you can